welcome back to Ride with Gojo. But first, let's figure out how I got here. Yeah! Woohoo! Twisties! We are heading out to the Hakusui Waterfalls in Seki. It's just cooler, the air is cleaner, and it's beautiful. Are about to go find the Hakusui Waterfalls. It is about a 20-minute trail from here. Well, it takes me 30 minutes. And it's through the forest. So we're gonna go for a small hike. Let's check it out. This is probably one of the first places I checked out once I got my license. All right. It is flowing today. Boy, I was winded just from those stairs. But we gotta climb our way through this overflow into that sketchy looking bridge and up the mountain. One of the coolest things about these trails is you find spots like this. That's the way, right there. I have to take more breaks than the average person because I have zero cardiovascular performance. Hey, I have a desk job, don't blame me. because I think I've said this before. My wife's at home and I gotta go spend time with her. But the other reason being, it's time to do some more riding. This is a motorcycle and travel channel, guys. Alright guys, thanks for watching, thanks for stopping by. Ride safely, and I'll see you guys on the next video.